Welcome to the third part of our tutorial series on how to enter a closed deal. This tutorial will cover how to navigate the closed deal workflow. After submitting the previous form, a new page will open up with the new closed deal wizard or workflow. Each of the tabs along the top indicate a step in the process of creating a closed deal. Different tabs will display based on your user settings and the deal and comp types you have already selected. The arrows on both sides of the tab bar allow you to scroll the tabs to the left or the right. You only have to hold your cursor over the arrow for the screen to start scrolling. Some tabs will display but can't be clicked on yet. That's because you need to complete at least one other step before you can jump to that tab. Once you start completing steps, more tabs will become unlocked. For example, the Finish tab at the far right will become unlocked once you have completed the minimum steps for this type of closed deal. In the case of lease or sale deals, you must at least complete the steps for defining property and space information. In most cases, and especially when you're entering a new closed deal, you'll move to each next step by clicking on the option to continue, which is on the form below the tabs. As mentioned in a previous tutorial in this series, some of your forms may not look exactly like what you see here. In most cases, that's because your system administrator has the option to customize those forms by changing the color of the fields or their labels, or by hiding fields or even hiding entire sections.